Low. Okay na, start na po yan. Go. To Javier, take it 3. Wala, rebound by Mabora. Mabora, take it 3. Wala, rebound ni Rivera. Rivera, pass to Calipes. 2 points, Mac Calipes. 2-0. 9 minutes and 39 seconds. Rebound by Pat. To Rivera, pass to number 5, side step. Wala, rebound by number 6. 9 minutes and 26. To Palaroan, lumipad. Wala, rebound ni number 2. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Palaroan. Intercepted by Abid. Rivera, intercepted, good ball. Intercepted din ni Palaroan. Pass to number 2 sa ilalim. Pass to number 6. Wala, rebound by Pat. 9 minutes and 3 seconds per foul. Labas na yan. Foul by number first personal foul. 2-0. 2-1. Kayo 2-2. Sino? 1-2. 1-2 sila. Lak-lak. JP to Pat, 2 points. Pat Lopez, led na all 2. 8 minutes and 34. 2 points. Number 2. All 4. Deadlock, all 4. Deadlock. 3. Mac Calipes. 7-4. James Favor. 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Palaroan. Pass to number 6. 2 points. Number 6. 7-6. 8 minutes and 9 seconds. Bola na. Ako ba? 0963. Ay, send ko na lang mamaya sa GC bro. Send ko na sa GC. Thank you. Thank you too. 2 boys. Stage people. Ay, ganun. Ayun na. Bell, tarang ako ng Bell.
7-8.
8-7 in favor of.
9-7.
9-8 in favor of Team C. Dimbi. 7 minutes and 24. Del. Puta.
Tingnan nyo, ang gulo kasi.
Wala. Rebound ni 2 points. Pero pa, good ball. 11-8. Lumipad, 2 points. Palaroan, 11-10. 7 minutes and 7. Walang
Alis dito na pinukukan.
Huwag kang magsalita dyan, ay pagka ano.
6 minutes and 59. 15 second shot clock. Still by Calipes. 6 minutes and 54. Calipes taking 3. Wala. Rebound by JP. 14 second shot clock. Intercepted by number 6. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Javier taking 3. Wala. Bola na. Team B. 6 minutes and 29. 11-10. Rivera. Sumagasa. Intercepted by number 6. Javier. To number 2. To Palaroan. To number 2. What a pass. 2 boys. By number 2. Change favor. 12-11. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. GB 23. Wala. Rebound by Mabora. 6 minutes and 3 seconds. 19 second shot clock. 12-11. 40 second shot clock. Palaroan, take it 3. Palaroan, 15-11. 2 boys.
Saudi ni Calipes yung
13-15. Palaroan. 19 second shot clock. Palaroan. Wala. Arriba pa rin ni Palaroan. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Number 2. 17-13.
Nakakulig
5 minutes and 26. Calipes. Siya na naman. 2 points. Mac Calipes. 17-15. In favor of Team D pa rin. 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Last possession before change. Last possession na yan. Change na. Last possession. 10 second shot clock. 83. Wala. Rebound ni number 5. Nauna na
Taka na, papangit naman yung kapag ano,
Pass to
yung white,
Calibes.
papangit yun kapag
Calibes
dumumi.
correct. 2 points, yay!
Pang pogma, oo nga pala may pay.
Deadlock, all 17.
Audit na grade.
Score, all 17. 4 minutes and 49. Oras, 9:55 p.m. Labas na yan, good. Dasol na yan, good. To number 6. Intercepted by Rivera. Bola pa rin, bola pa rin. Ila, 4 minutes and 30. Ay, wait lang Len. Take it to, wala. Rebound by Abid. 4 minutes and 20. 20 ako, wait lang. Wala, rebound by to Balaroan. Balaroan pa rin. Nakakuha ni Javier. Take it 3. Wala. Bola na. TP.
Ibebente ka dyan?
Wait lang, walang... Antay ko lang ang ano, wait lang. Calipes. 2 points. Papalipes. Change favor. 19-17. Ba talaga yung terwarang kayo ng gitnang bayan ah. Sana all. 3 minutes and 39. Pass to JP. Take it 3. JP, Andal. Buhaya.
Buhaya.
Nagkaroon pa ng kasing sila, Ken. Sa'yo, BUWA. Gago. 3 minutes and 20. 22-17. Bola na. Team B. Turnover. Bola na. Team.
Saan may barya ka, 20? 20 dyan.
3 minutes exactly. Palaro, take it 2 points. 19-22. May 20 ka dyan, sir. Pasok ulit nga sa si ano. 2 minutes and 57. 22-19 in favor of Team B. Yun. Thank you, Len. Buwas ha. Oh. Buwas, Len ha. 3 points. Palaruan. Deadlock. 22. All 22. JP. Tupak. Back. Pass to number 5. 15 second shot clock. 13 second shot clock. 82. Wala. Rebound ni number 6. Number 6. Palaruan. 17 second shot clock. Maborang. Take it 3.